Hello, this is Eddie at WMR Competition Performance in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your dirt bike suspension better. Tip number 4. We're going to be talking about, say, your clickers and how you can sort of start gauging that as a way of knowing whether you need to, let's revalve the suspension, let's change the setting, let's do something about it. Because say you have clickers, top, bottom, on modern bikes, say if you start to go fully closed or fully soft and the bike feels better, that most likely means that an internal change has to be made to keep going in that direction. Say you're getting faster and you're closing off the clickers, going clockwise, going stiffer, and you feel really good with the clickers all the way closed. And then you're wondering, well, I have no more clickers left, what do I do? Well, the best thing to do is to change the setting, to revalve it, is what most people call it as. So say back then, they weren't as lucky. Say a bike like this, if they were too fast for the suspension, you would throw thicker weight oil. They're kind of getting very creative in order to make the suspension stiffer, more race ready. But now with more modern bikes and more modern technology, we're very fortunate to have such sophisticated shocks that we can change the setting internally to give you almost anything you want, from very beginner woods rider to a supercross rider needing a very, very stiff suspension. I go more into depth with this into our blog article at WMR1.com. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.